All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set that we just had done for a customer. Now, this one here is 925 solid sterling silver, and it is the single caps, which you can see the definition in between each tooth very nicely because it is cut all the way through. So these are single caps, individual caps, which gives it that nice permanent style look, which our customers love. Now, this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can choose a top, bottom, or a set. That's up to you. This one happens to be a 6-on-6, real silver, handmade. All right, so I've taken out one of the caps, as you can see here, so you can see how it works. These are all single caps, removable, and you get that nice permanent style look. All right, well, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.